That was good.
Trying to crack me.
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Hey guys, at the Clary's DMV Chiropractor, I'm here to dig with this young lady. What is your name?
Judy.
Judy? You have Instagram?
Yes.
What's your
Judy
Instagram?
Law 100 underscore.
Judy Law
100 underscore.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right. Have you ever been stretched, adjusted, anything like that?
I have a while ago.
A while ago? Okay. So we're gonna get you stretched first, and then after that we're gonna get you adjusted. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Let's have you on your back for me.
My back.
Good. All right. Are you flexible at all?
Not really.
Not really? All right. So let's just check your range. Just relax with me. Let's see. Oh yeah, you're tight. You're tight.
Yeah, I'm tight with it. Ow.
Well, yeah, you're tight. Okay, that's gonna be. You're gonna have me work now.
All right, work me.
Good. Deep breath.
It feels good.
Hmm?
It feels good.
It feels good though, right? It feels like light when you're done.
Yeah, thank God. Because I need that. Ow.
Yes. Yeah, it's the hamstrings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Deep breath. Let it out. Deep breath. There you go. So what you're gonna do? Take this hand, hold the table. Take this arm, bring it up. Good. Relax. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. There we go. Deep breath. That was good.
Trying to crack me.
I'm doing their jobs for them.
Exactly. You make me easy.
Making it easier on them. I would.
Trying to crack me.
Let's. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Just relax. Relax. Good. Just relax. Good. That side is tight.
It's tight.
Yeah. That side is tight. There's more tight.
Strain on my body.
Deep breath. Let it out. Let it go. Let it go. Relax. 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 Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Ow.
There we go. Yes. 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 She still don't want to let the leg go. Like the leg is still up. Like let the leg
I'm
go.
sorry. I'm a control freak. Sorry. Okay.
You're good on time, Favor?
Okay.
You're good on time? Oh, watch yourself. Okay. Hold on to the table. Good. This side here. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. One more time. Deep breath. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Good. Deep breath. Let it go. Relax your body for me.
That means I'm not getting old yet. You still with me?
Not yet.
Deep breath.
Okay. I have like some deep.
You what?
I literally got my breath put these over my Yeah. Oh yeah. See, look. Cheese like this.
Oh yeah.
And they're kind of.
Yeah.
How's that feel?
It's good.
It's good? Slide up a little bit.
Trying to film.
Content is king, right?
Yeah. He said he's a content creator.
Yeah, I'll give you your Instagram. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I follow that.
Let's go again. Deep breath.
Okay.
Yeah.
Deep breath. Let that go.
Oh, shoot.
Deep breath. Deep breath. And deep breath. Good. How's that? Not too bad. That's good. That's good. All right. Relax your body. Deep breath. This one you're gonna feel. Oh shit. Let it out.
Deep breath.
Deep breath.
I do feel something around here. They didn't pop
Right in here.
around here.
Okay. So they'll put it back in the.
That's what we different times.
So I'm a massage therapist.
Oh, good.
So if it gets too much for you, let me know. Let me know when it's too much.
Okay.
Let me know when
What's
it's
the
too
next thing
much.
you got planned on putting out here?
You're good. You're good. You're good. Yes, good.
They want to know when we're coming back.
Coming back. Ugh.
We could probably have so many like set up
I know.
if we planned it out right.
Putting it out right, yeah. And but because this time we didn't really tell
And
nobody.
we still
Yeah.
We still got a whole bunch of people.
1.1 million on Facebook.
Wow.
Great time.
Let's go. Deep breath.
Yeah. YouTube is, yeah, YouTube is consistency thing.
Only rich for 20 years, but it's just like today you gotta put in the work.
And the thing with YouTube is they always throw events for the creators.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I've been trying to tell you to get started YouTube for a long time. Deep breath.
How many subscribers did you have to be like get started to do stuff?
I don't think it really matters. There are some people with like 5,000 that's still getting viral.
Good. So let's have you sit up for me. Perfect. And you're going to reach for your feet. Deep breath. There you go. Let it out. Let it out.
Deep breath.
Deep breath. Let it go.
Okay.
Good. One more time. Deep breath. And slowly. There we go. Let's have your face. You can slide back over to me. There you go. Perfect. Deep breath. I'm scared. No, just stretching.
Yeah, that was better. Yeah.
Deep breath.
Wait, do you have a phone now? You probably go down here.
I don't have a stand. I think we can prop it if you want.
Okay.
Here, I'll just.
Good. Deep breath.
You don't. Oh, you like.
How you feeling so far?
Good.
Feeling good? All right, I'm gonna have you on your back and then have you on your stomach for the last one. So we have you on your back first. I'm gonna do your face, head, neck.
Don't hurt me.
No, we're not. No, it's just stretching.
Yeah.
I'm not adjusting anything.
Good. Scared.
You're scared. All right,
Scared.
just relax. Deep breath. Out. Good. Deep breath. Hold it out. Good. Deep breath. Out.
You got 30 people already.
Deep breath.
Just one live.
Shoot, if I would have pointed at like a girl or something, it would have probably been way. I haven't went live in a minute on Facebook yet.
Hey guys. All right.
Good. All right, let me have you on your stomach. Okay, then we'll be done. We'll do 2 more stretches. We'll be done. Deep breath.
Everybody asks
Deep
me
breath.
personally the only time that time we were kids.
Oh, really?
So it was just like, I don't know, she was very big. But it happens because I'm
Deep breath. Out. Ooh, a little bit of popping in me. Deep breath. Out. Good. Deep breath. Out. Deep breath. All right, let's have you go ahead and sit up.
Yeah.
All right. Get up, move around, let me know how you feel.
Good.
You good?
Yes. Thank you.
Bend forward.
feel amazing.
You feel loose? Bend forward. Let's see how that goes. It's not too bad.
That's better.
Not too bad. Okay, so now they're gonna adjust you. That's what you're scared of, the cracking.
Yes.
When they're cracking and all that stuff. Yeah. All right, so they're gonna be ready for you in the room, and after that, you'll be good to go. Okay.
How you guys doing? I'm Dr. Randall Thompson, and we also have
Dr. Kenya White,
from
Maryland,
Maryland,
Prince George's County, Maryland,
PG County.
PG County.
That's right. And we have Judy. How you doing, Judy?
Good.
Judy just got stretched by Dr. Clerge's office. Judy just got stretched. Judy, how you feel so far?
Feel good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Any pain anywhere?
Sometimes I have pain, like in my lower area.
In your lower back?
Just not right now.
Not right now?
Sometimes I do.
Sometimes. When you do have it, 1 out of 10, how's the pain?
Maybe 6.
Maybe 6?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything that you do that causes the pain?
I don't know. I work out.
You work out?
Yeah.
So when you work out, it causes the pain. Any workouts in particular that may cause the pain?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Sounds good. Don't worry about it. So, Dr. Ken's gonna start off. She's gonna adjust your neck.
All right, so you can go ahead and lay face up for me, okay? Yep, perfect. No worries. A little tender here.
Mm-hmm.
And relax for me.
Mm.
Good. Do the same on this side. Nice and relaxed. There it is. All right, go ahead and scoot down a little bit for me. Keep going. Right there's perfect. And I want you to go ahead and hug yourself for me, okay? So I'm gonna bring you like this, nice and tight. Perfect. I'm gonna bring you over this way. One time.
You don't play, girl.
Hug yourself tight. There we go. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and have you lay on your side for me, okay? Facing me. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna bend this here. Bend this knee, straighten that other leg, okay?
Like this?
Yep, just like that. Come up to me, just scoot forward. Perfect. Take this hand right here. And just come in and relax. I got you. Let it go. Good.
Let me shoot.
How we doing so far? Great? All right. Hug yourself on the good. There we go. Bend. Straight.
Yeah, come in this corner right here.
Slide your hip. Slide this right here. On this hip. Put it right.
Okay. I bet. Yeah.
How we doing? On your back. Hug yourself. Just relax for me.
You don't play games in here.
Not at all. Just relax. Just relax. I got you. You good? Sit on it. Swing your feet on here. There we go. And just relax. Stand on it. Walk around and stand still.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, great.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Alright. She gave a lot of information already? Oh. If you want to find your so you
Yeah.
gave yourself already?
My Instagram is JudyLaw100_.
Any other YouTube?
Yeah, my YouTube is JudyLaw100.
And tell them what you do.
I'm a model and I'm an entrepreneur.
I'm model too. No.
Oh.